Hi, I'm Craig from HIA. Here in our Newcastle office, we're really proud to have our HIA Home Inspiration Centre, where we have a diversity of products and services on display 7 days a week for people looking for a new home or major renovation. We're really excited to have Velocity Home Lifts join our centre. They are bringing in a really innovative products that actually address a really significant need in our community. That is an option for people to get around their homes, remain in their homes if they're existing, or upspec their upcoming renovations or new dwellings to be able to stay in their home longer. This is such a great addition because it adds another product that people should be considering. Often they're not sure of what the products they can install, and so wandering around the centre, they'll get more inspiration of a greater diversity of products by having great lifts on display such as these. So we're open 7 days a week. We'd love to see you come into the centre to see Velocity Home Lifts, our latest exhibitor here in the HIA Home Inspiration Centre at Mayfield West.